Hey there, I'm Lady Swayze, and I make tutorials for the internet. In the last tutorial, we went ahead and went over in pretty good detail what a channel category was, what a what a channel was, and how permissions work within those. We went ahead and privated our text channels, making sure that general, memes, and new channel are all private in this channel. I mean, in this tutorial, we're gonna go ahead and take the next step and make ourselves a welcome channel, as well as learn how the private messaging in Discord works as well. So let's first of all make a new category, and we're gonna call it welcome. We're not gonna make it private, and we're gonna put welcome all the way at the top, and we're gonna go ahead and make a rules channel, which I will populate later on. We're gonna also make a enter channel, as well as an exit channel. So what we've done is make it so that people can go ahead and see the server rules. Once I make them, people will go ahead be able to see who enters the server and who exits the server. In order to go ahead and connect that, we will need to go back into the server settings, go into the server overview, and make all the system messages go into our enter channel. So when someone joins, because I have this clicked, it'll go ahead and tell the whole server, hey, this person joins, and there's a whole bunch of other options here that do a sticker and all that happy shit as well. So that's amazing. And so we'll go ahead and save that. And so our server's coming together now, which is really nice. So I actually made a friend between now and the last video, and we're gonna go ahead and message them hi. And we'll go ahead and wait for them to go ahead and message back. And while they do that, I'll go ahead and go through some of the available things you can do. So if you right click on someone's name, you'll be able to go ahead and see their profile, call them, add a note to them, as well as close the DM, different apps you might want to do with them, invite them to our server, with a friend, block them, or go ahead and mute them. There's a lot of very good options you can go ahead and use to go ahead and make things good for you. And so with that in mind, we will go ahead and with our welcome channel made, with us having a welcome, enter, and exit channel, our server is looking pretty darn good right now. I think for right now, we're gonna go ahead and end off the video here, and we will go ahead and pretty much. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys are sharing knowledge. And most of all, I hope you guys are staying lazy. Guys, have a great day. I will see you in the next video.